Hey there, mobility enthusiasts. Are you struggling with limited mobility but still want to maintain your independence? Do you find yourself missing out on family gatherings, shopping trips, or just enjoying the outdoors because walking has become difficult? Have you been overwhelmed by the countless mobility scooter options on the market, unsure which one truly delivers on its promises? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 best mobility scooters I've personally tested, breaking down everything from comfort to battery life, maneuverability to storage options. 7. Wheel-Wavy 4-Wheel Compact Mobility Scooter. The Wheel-Wavy 4-Wheel Compact Mobility Scooter positions itself as a portable solution for those with mobility challenges. When I first unboxed this scooter, I was impressed by its compact design and the promise of easy folding for transport. The blue color is quite appealing, and the overall construction appears sturdy at first glance. Setting it up was relatively straightforward, though I did notice the instruction manual could use some clarity improvements. Taking it for a spin, the Wheel-Wavy offers decent performance on smooth surfaces. The 4-wheel design provides adequate stability for basic indoor use and paved outdoor paths. The padded seat offers basic comfort for shorter trips, and the control panel is simple enough for most users to understand quickly. Battery life is advertised as long-lasting, and I found it sufficient for shopping trips and casual outings, though it doesn't quite match the range of higher-end models in this list. Where the Wheel-Wavy falls short is in its performance on uneven terrain. During my testing on slightly bumpy sidewalks, the ride became noticeably uncomfortable, with vibrations transferring directly to the seat. The suspension system is minimal at best, which became evident when navigating over small obstacles or cracks in the pavement. I also experienced some concerning rattling noises after just a few weeks of regular use, which raises questions about long-term durability. 6. Super Handy Passport Mobility Scooter. The Super Handy Passport Mobility Scooter caught my attention with its lightweight, collapsible design promising easy transport and storage. Upon receiving it, I was immediately impressed by how compact it became when folded, truly living up to its passport name as something you could potentially take on travels. The assembly process was intuitive, and within minutes, I had it ready for its first test drive around my neighborhood. Maneuvering the Super Handy through indoor spaces proved to be one of its strengths. The turning radius is tight enough to navigate through standard doorways and around furniture without much difficulty. The controls are responsive and straightforward, making it accessible even for those who might be new to mobility scooters. I particularly appreciated the detachable battery feature, which allows for convenient charging without needing to position the entire scooter near an outlet. During extended testing, however, I noticed some concerning issues with the Super Handy's performance. The seat, while adequate for short trips, became uncomfortable after about 30 minutes of continuous use. The minimal padding and lack of adjustable features meant finding a truly comfortable position was challenging. This could be problematic for users who need their scooter for longer outings or those with back sensitivity. The battery life, while sufficient for quick errands, fell short of the advertised range when used in real-world conditions. I found myself anxiously watching the battery indicator during longer outings, concerned about whether I'd make it back home without running out of power. Number 5. miHoYo 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The miHoYo 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter strikes an impressive balance between portability and functionality. When I first received this scooter, I was pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it was, while still feeling substantial enough to inspire confidence. The foldable design is genuinely practical. I was able to collapse it down and fit it in my car trunk without assistance, which is a significant advantage for users who want to take their mobility solution on the go. Taking the miHoYo for its first ride revealed smooth acceleration and intuitive controls that even first-time scooter users would find approachable. The 4-wheel configuration provides excellent stability, particularly when navigating slightly uneven surfaces or making turns. I tested it extensively in various shopping centers and found it nimble enough to navigate through aisles and around displays without any awkward moments or difficulty. The comfort level of the Mihayo deserves special mention. The seat, while not luxuriously padded, provides adequate support for trips lasting an hour or more. The adjustable armrests allow for some customization to fit different body types, and the backrest offers good lumbar support. During my testing, I was able to use this scooter for a full afternoon of errands without experiencing the discomfort that some other models in this price range tend to cause. Battery performance exceeded my expectations with the Mihayo. On a full charge, I was consistently able to get a full day of use with power to spare. Number 4. iScooter X2 Mobility Scooter. The iScooter X2 Mobility Scooter immediately impressed me with its sleek design and thoughtful engineering. Upon unboxing, I noticed the quality of materials used. This doesn't feel like a budget option despite its competitive price point. Assembly was minimal and intuitive, allowing me to get rolling within minutes of opening the package. The lightweight construction makes it manageable for most users while still feeling substantial enough to inspire confidence in its durability. Driving the iScooter X02 is a genuinely pleasant experience. The controls are responsive without being too sensitive, striking that perfect balance that makes it accessible for new users while still satisfying for those with more experience. The turning radius is impressively tight, allowing me to navigate through crowded spaces and make U-turns in narrow hallways with ease. During my testing in various indoor environments, like grocery stores and shopping malls, I never once felt limited by the scooter's maneuverability. Comfort is where the iScooter X02 really shines compared to many competitors. The seat provides excellent support with just the right amount of cushioning to prevent fatigue during extended use. I spent several hours continuously using this scooter during a day trip to a large outdoor market and emerged without the back discomfort I've experienced with lesser models. The adjustable armrests and backrest allow for personalized positioning, accommodating users of different heights and body types effectively. 3. ENGWE Folding 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The ENGWE Folding 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter represents a significant step up in quality and features. From the moment I unpacked it, the superior construction was evident: solid components, precise fittings, and attention to detail in every aspect of its design. The folding mechanism is particularly impressive, operating smoothly and locking securely in both positions. Despite its robust build, the ENGWE folds down to a surprisingly compact size that fits easily in car trunks or storage closets. Driving performance is where the ENGWE truly distinguishes itself from lower-ranked options. The electric motor delivers power smoothly and consistently, with no lag when accelerating or navigating inclines. During my testing on various terrains, including some moderately steep driveways and ramps, the ENGWE maintained speed without struggling or making concerning noises. The four-wheel configuration provides exceptional stability, inspiring confidence even when making turns at higher speeds or traversing slightly uneven surfaces. Comfort features on the ENGWE are thoughtfully designed for extended use. The seat offers generous padding with ergonomic contouring that supports proper posture during long outings. I tested this scooter during a full-day family gathering at a large park and remained comfortable throughout the entire event. The detachable battery is a standout feature, allowing you to charge it separately from the scooter, perfect for apartment dwellers or situations where bringing the entire scooter near an outlet isn't practical. 2. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter immediately sets itself apart with its exceptional build quality and thoughtful design elements. When I first received this model, I was struck by how substantial it felt, clearly engineered for longevity, while still maintaining a sleek, non-medical appearance that many users prefer. Assembly was minimal and intuitive, with clear instructions and all necessary tools included in the package. The driving experience with the Vive is truly superior. The responsive controls allow for precise maneuvering with a smooth acceleration curve that prevents jerky starts and stops. The turning radius is impressively tight for a full-sized mobility scooter, allowing me to navigate through home doorways and retail store aisles with confidence. During extensive testing in various environments, from crowded shopping centers to outdoor community events, the Vive handled every situation with remarkable poise and reliability. Comfort is where the Vive really shines compared to most competitors. The padded seat is generously sized and contoured to provide excellent support for extended periods of use. The backrest offers proper lumbar support, and the armrests are adjustable both in height and width to accommodate different body types. I spent an entire day at a large outdoor festival using this scooter and experienced none of the fatigue or discomfort that typically comes with lesser models. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps and vibrations, delivering a smooth ride even on moderately uneven surfaces. Number 1. Glashow S1 Mobility Scooter. The Glashow S1 Mobility Scooter stands in a class of its own, representing the pinnacle of mobility scooter design and engineering. From the moment I unboxed this premium model, the exceptional quality was immediately apparent. From the precision machined components to the luxurious upholstery and flawless paint finish. While some assembly was required, the process was intuitive, with perfectly aligned components that came together effortlessly, suggesting meticulous quality control during manufacturing. The driving experience with the Glashow S1 is simply unmatched. The powerful yet quiet motor delivers smooth, consistent power at all speeds, with acceleration that feels responsive without being jerky. The sophisticated control system allows for precise maneuvering in tight spaces while also providing confident handling at higher speeds when in open areas. During my extensive testing across multiple environments, from crowded indoor spaces to challenging outdoor pathways, the Glashow S1 performed flawlessly, inspiring complete confidence in its capabilities and reliability. Comfort on the Glashow S1 reaches levels typically reserved for high-end office furniture. The seat features premium density foam with ergonomic contouring that provides exceptional support for extended periods of use. The adjustability options are comprehensive, allowing users to customize the seating position precisely to their body type and preferences. The suspension system is particularly noteworthy, effectively isolating the rider from bumps and vibrations even on rough surfaces. I tested this scooter during a full-day outdoor event on varied terrain and remained perfectly comfortable throughout the entire experience, something I cannot say about any other model I've tested. Conclusion. There you have it, my comprehensive breakdown of the 7 best mobility scooters on the market today. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly like the Wheel Wavy or ready to invest in the premium experience of the Glashow S1, there's a mobility solution here that can help you reclaim your independence and enjoy life to the fullest. Remember that the right scooter for you depends on your specific needs, lifestyle, and the environments where you'll be using it most frequently. Consider factors like portability if you'll need to transport it often, battery range if you plan longer outings, and comfort features if you'll be using it for extended periods.